How to save favorite places on Google Maps. Hi everyone, welcome to the video, and today we'll learn how to save our favorite places on Google Maps. If you have any favorite place and you want to save it on Google Maps, I'm here to help. Just follow these simple steps and you'll be good to go. First, if you want to save your favorite location, just open the Google Maps application from your phone. In here, you'll see different options. You can either search for the place and it will show you that. If it's nearby you, you can also get it by clicking on the name. Now, when you get this, expand this by dragging up. Now, in here, you will see different options. You'll see directions, start, call. If you swipe that to your left, you will see save option. Now tap on that option and it will give you different menus, like you can either save it to want to go, travel plans, favorites, or start places. You can also select two options there. If you want to save it to your favorites, tap on favorites and you can also leave the note here. Now when you do that, tap on the done at the top right and it will be added to your favorite list. So that's all for the video guys. I hope this video will help you. If you guys have any further questions, please drop them into the comments. I'll meet you in next video. Thank you and bye bye.